Hello everyone, let's talk about server memory. Specifically, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 or DIMM. If you're looking to boost the performance of your server, workstation, or even a compatible NAS, this could be a game changer. This isn't your average RAM stick. We're talking about a 96GB DDR5 module running at 4,800 MHz. That's a serious amount of memory and speed for demanding applications. It's a PC5-38400 2RX4 module operating at a cool 1.1V with a CL40 latency. It's also ECC registered, which is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, and this module seems to fit that bill perfectly. It's designed for servers and workstations, and it's even listed as compatible with Samsung's M321RYGA0BB0 CQK memory. This compatibility is a great sign, suggesting NEMIX has done its homework to ensure seamless integration. The key benefit here is performance. NEMIX RAM emphasizes that memory upgrades are the easiest and most cost-effective way to speed up your system. With 96GB of DDR5 at 4,800 MHz, you should see a noticeable improvement in multitasking, data processing, and overall system responsiveness. This is especially true if you're currently running on older or smaller capacity memory modules. Installation is also straightforward. NEMIX RAM claims you can typically install the memory yourself in minutes. Of course, always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions, but the process is generally simple. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or operation. If you're looking for a high-capacity, high-performance memory upgrade for your server or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 96GB DDR5 or DIMM is definitely worth considering. The combination of speed, capacity, ECC protection, and a lifetime warranty makes it a compelling option for demanding users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.